Hey, Rick here from Papa Bear Racing, and today we're going to take a look at this, a new tool from Alien Space Savers. So as many of you probably know, the Alien Space Saver is my favorite form of wrench organization. You have your aluminum rods, you have your plastic, and then you have the ability to line up all your wrenches in a space-saving manner that also allows you to know instantly if one is missing. So the only problem with the product is putting these plastic pieces onto the aluminum rods. So placing these things on the aluminum rod can actually really be a pain in the butt. It takes a lot of effort. Now the new tool goes ahead and I didn't even get that. Wow, that kind of shows how hard it is to use it with your thumbs. But check out the new tool. This makes it so much easier. Put it on there, take your tool, push it on. This is a fantastic product. And once again, I am not sponsored by them. That's my honest belief. So until next time, have a great day.